So the first thing that we're going to do, right, is a little demo on Muah Chee. So what I did today, because it's local, it's National Day, so I decided, okay, let's have peanut with the red sugar, you know, red sugar with your kueh tutu, yeah.
Great event for us because I don't bake, my wife bakes, and I think I learned something very new today, how to actually make cakes and decorate the cakes up.
The cake flavor in the cake that you have is the Ondeh Ondeh cake. So hope you guys go and try. For a start, maybe you can decide which color you want to use. I am just going to start with a yellow.
When I walked around, it was really like 160 versions. Like none of them had the same cake from the person next to them. Some people even just started like doing their own like flowers, heart shape, and like forest or whatever artistic expression. So I thought it was very cool. I've always felt like Volkswagen care a lot about their customers, and they put in so much effort to give value to their customers rather than you know, just a transactional like I sell you a car and then that's it.
Volkswagen.